Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Okay, as you people can see, I've gone to Patreon. I'm trying once again to upload to my channel there. Add URL. Come on. Well, freaking finally, after 4 mother-blooding days, you finally got Rays of Moses subscribe to my channel dialogue out of my upload. Heart, is that Mom? Is Nana home? Huh, Pancho? Hi, kitty. Mommy, come home. Yeah, Mom's home. Oh, you're waiting for the mailman. Is that all there is? Is that all there is? Well, 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 what do you know? You finally get your heads out of it and made it work.